Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a Picsart account. Whether you're looking to enhance your photos, create amazing graphics, or just explore the Picsart, this guide has got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to picsart.com. Now here you can find Get Started for free. Simply tap on it. You can create your account via your email, with Google, with Facebook, and with Apple as well. I'll be tapping on with Google. Now you can get premium for 7 days for free if you want, but if not, you can simply click on the wrong button. Now as you can see, my profile has been created. If you need to create or update your profile, simply tap on profile. Here you can upload your photo, name, email, password, and all the other details as well. And that's how you simply create a Picsart account in 2024.